Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and a very good morning to you all, my dear students. This is a main lecture for you, trigonometrical ratios, and you can see we have a complex figure before you. And in this figure, we have three right angle triangles PTQ, PSQ, and QSR are three right angle triangles. So we have to find out unknown things like PQ. We have to find out this line. PD we have to find out this side, and PR we have to find out this side, right? So we have to find out three sides of three different types of a right angle triangle, right? So first of all, let's take TQ. We have to find TQ, this TQ, right? This TQ is very simple to find out because in this triangle, if I take out the individually the triangles, like TQ is the side of triangle TSQ, right? So I make TSQ right angle triangle like this. T 90 degree, S or S 360, and Q, right? And this SQ is 25. You can see this SQ is 25. This is, I mentioned with the help of arrow, this SQ is 25, this 60 on this S, and this 45 on this another triangle. So we have to find out this side, TQ, right? So to find out TQ, first of all we have to identify the sides, right? So in front of 90 degree, this is hypotenuse. In front of acute angle, this is opposite, right? And this is the adjacent side because it is adjacent to the acute angle. So we have to find out opposite, right? Opposite. And opposite come in sine and tan. It doesn't come in cos. Opposite. So and we have hypotenuse 25. So opposite and hypotenuse come in sine. Right? We have to find out opposite, and we have hypotenuse. So these two ratios, these two sides come in the sine. So apply sine. Sine 60 because we have 60 angle is equal to opposite TQ or hypotenuse 25. Right? So sine 60 is sine 60 is 0.8660, 0.8660, multiplied by 25 because this 25 will be multiplied with 0.8660, so it is 21.7 centimeter TQ. Right? So this is TQ 21.7. Okay, now the other thing is we have to find out PT, and this is PT. So this thing is very important. For PT, let's take a triangle out from the main triangle. This is P, T, and Q, right? So we have find out TQ is 21%, right? To find out PT, we need an acute angle, but we do not have acute angle in this triangle PTQ. So how we can find out the triangle, the angle in this triangle? So see this figure. We have 90 on Q point. There is three angles, 1, 2, 3, right? So this angle can be found out, but with the help of the formula 90 plus 60. 90 plus 60, 150, and 180 minus 150. This is 30. This is 30, right? And this is these three angles are adjacent to each other and these three angles are on a straight line, so the sum of these three angles is 180, right? So this is 180 minus 90 minus 30. This is 180 minus 90, 90 minus 30 is 60, so this is 60. This is 60, right? So now we have to find out PT, and this is opposite because it is directly opposite to the acute angle, right? This is hypotenuse and this is adjacent. So we have to find out opposite and we have adjacent, right? So opposite and adjacent come in tan. So you will write tan 21.7, tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to opposite PT over adjacent 21.7, and this is tan 60 1.732 multiplied with 21.7 multiplied with 21.7, 37.6 is PT, right? Okay, now we have to find out PR. So for PR we have to find out PQ and QR, then we have to add up these two values. So we can find out PQ with the help of Pythagoras theorem. We can find out PQ with the help of Pythagoras theorem because 21.7 is given and this is opposite, that is 37.6. So for PR, we have to find out PQ and QR individually and then add up these two values. So first of all, we have to find out PQ with the help of Pythagoras theorem. PR के लिए आपको PQ निकालना है और QR निकालना है। तो PQ निकालने के लिए आप इस ट्रायंगल पे पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई करें, ठीक है? इसमें आपने फाइंड करना है PQ, दैट इज हाइपोटेन्यूज। थ्योरम क्या कहता है? हाइपोटेन्यूज स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बेस स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर। यहाँ पे हाइपोटेन्यूज क्या है? PQ का स्क्वायर, राइट? बेस क्या है आपके पास? 21.7 उसका स्क्वायर, पर्टिकुलर क्या है? 37.6 उसका स्क्वायर। इनका स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करें आप। 21.7 दिस इज 470.89 प्लस 37.6 का स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करें। 37.6 का स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करें, ये आएगा 21.7 470.89 37.6 का स्क्वायर आएगा 1413.8 1413.8। अब आप ऐड करें 470.89 1884.7 1884.7। अब इसको स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करें बिकॉज वी हैव टू रिमूव दिस स्क्वायर ऑन PQ। दिस इज 43.4 right? Now we have to find out QR, and for QR we have for QR we can find here this is Q, right? SQ is 25, is S is 25 centimeter, there is 45 and 45. So in this diagram we have to find out QR, that is opposite, because in front of acute angle this is opposite and this is hypotenuse, this is adjacent. Again we have to find out opposite and we have adjacent, so apply tan 45 is equal to opposite QR over adjacent 25. Tan 45 is 1 into 25 is equal to QR, that is 25, right? QR is 25. So I have to base this. Now PR is equal to PQ plus QR. PQ is 43.4 plus 25. That is 43.4. 43.4 plus 25. That is 68.4. 68.4 is PR. Right? Then 25 is 1 into 25 is QR, and QR is 25. Right? So move towards the second question.